Good morning, students. In this class, we'll revise the 1 mark of Lesson 1 Geography, the Earth and the Solar System. First, fill in the blanks. First question, the universe was formed after dash explosion. Millions of years ago, there was one explosion was happened. Because of that only our universe was formed. That explosion is called as Big Bang explosion. Second one, dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. That is, celestial bodies means stars, moon, planet, everything we can see in the sky, in the space, that is called as celestial body. So the distance between one celestial body to another one, they have the one unit, that is called light year. Which is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies? Light year. Next, dash is the center of the solar system. The center of the solar system is sun. Around the sun only all the planets revolute and rotate themselves. So sun is the center of the solar system. Next, fourth one, the planet means dash. The word planet means dash. The word planet means wanderer. Wanderer means roaming around here and there. So planet is rotate itself and then revolute around the sun, That's why the word planet means wanderer. Next question, dash planet has many natural satellites. There are lot of, in our solar system we have totally 8 planets, right? Each planet have its own natural satellite. For example, our Earth we have one natural satellite, that is our moon, isn't it? The same way, which planet has many natural satellites? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter has many natural satellites compared to others. Nearly it has 39 natural satellites. Next, sixth one, India's first ever mission to the moon is dash. India's first ever mission to the moon is called as Chandrayaan-1 satellite. Which is the first ever mission of the India? India's first ever mission to the moon is Chandrayaan-1. Next one, the earth is inclined by dash degrees. Our earth basically inclined 23.5 degree in north direction, it's inclined. So the earth is inclined how much degree? 23.5 degree. Next, eighth one, the equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash. When the equator receives the direct rays of the sun? In March 21st and September 23rd. Ninth one, at the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun. At the time of perihelion, the earth is closest to the sun, very closest to the sun. In a short answer you may have read, that is, what is that? What is perihelion? Perihelion is the position of the earth closest to the sun, Yes. So at the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun, closest to the sun. Next one, 10th one, the line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is dash. Which line divides the earth for day and night? That line is called as terminator line. What is that? Terminator line. Next, choose the best answer. You have to find the answer which is correctly suitable for that question. First one, the movement of the earth on its axis is called dash. That is you just imagine, this is a planet, it's rotate itself, the movement of the planet on its axis, that is called rotation. What is the answer? rotation. On its axis it is moving, that is called rotation. Second one, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on dash. In fill-up, what we have seen? In fill-up, we have seen the equator faces the sun directly on March 21st and September 23rd. In the same way, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on which date? The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22. What is the date? December 22. You should not confuse with one another. You should know the differentiate between that. That is equator. This one is Tropic of Capricorn. Next one, the galaxy in which our solar system is found. There is lot of galaxy in the space. We are in the galaxy that is called Milky Way galaxy. What is the name of our galaxy? Milky Way galaxy. Next, the only celestial body where man has successfully landed. There is lot of celestial body we have seen, isn't it? In which celestial body man has successfully landed on it? That is, answer is moon. What is the answer? The answer is moon. Next question. Which of the following planets float on water? That is, which planet is very lightweight and full of gases? That planet is, answer is Saturn. The Saturn, if we drop the planet, the Saturn on water, it just float because it is fully covered with gases. So the answer is Saturn. Next, match the following. First one, hottest planet. Which is the hottest planet? Answer is Venus, because the Venus is the second planet very near to the sun. That's why hottest planet is Venus. Next, ringed planet. Which planet has the ring around it? The answer is Saturn. The Saturn has the ring of gases and dust particles of the universe. That's why the ringed planet is Saturn. Third one, red planet. Which planet is called as red planet? The answer is Mars. Mars is called as the red planet because it contains more iron oxide and it look like a red color. So the answer is Mars. Fourth one, somersaulting planet. Which is called as somersaulting planet? The answer is fourth one, Uranus. What is that? The somersaulting planet is called as Uranus. Next one, coldest planet. Which is the coldest planet? Simply we can say which is very far away from the sun. The answer is Neptune. Neptune is far away from the sun. That's why the coldest planet is Neptune. Next, lesson number 2, Geography, Land and Oceans, book back 1 marks. First, choose the correct answer. First question, which of the following is the smallest ocean on the earth? We have totally 5 oceans, isn't it? So, among that, which is the smallest ocean? The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean among this. The Arctic Ocean is located in the North Pole. So, which is the smallest ocean on the earth? On earth, the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Second one, the Malacca Strait connects dash. The Malacca Strait connects the Pacific and Indian Ocean. So here we have Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean in the side corner. So the Malacca Strait connects the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Next, which of the following ocean is the busiest ocean? The answer is the Atlantic Ocean, because through this Atlantic Ocean only all the trades happened between the one country to another country. That's why the Atlantic Ocean is called as the busiest ocean. So which is called as the busiest ocean? The answer is the Atlantic Ocean. Fourth one, the frozen continent is dash. Which is the frozen continent? The answer is Antarctica continent. Why? Because the Antarctica continent is located in the south pole of our earth. The south pole of our earth receives slanting rays of the sun. That's why it's very low temperature. So this Antarctica continent fully covered with snow. So which continent is called as the frozen continent? The answer is Antarctica. Which is the answer? Antarctica. Next one, fifth one. A narrow stripe of water that connects two large water body is called a strait. Answer is strait. This one is not wrong. So the answer is strait. A narrow stripe of water that connects the two large water bodies, that is called a strait. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, the world's largest continent is dash. Which is the largest continent among the world? The answer is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Dash is the mineral rich plateau in India. In India, mineral rich plateau is Chota Nagpur plateau. This is called as the heart of mineral. The Chota Nagpur plateau also called as the heart of minerals. It is near to the West Bengal side. And third one is the largest ocean is dash. Which is the largest ocean? The answer is Pacific Ocean. In the choose the following, we have seen the smallest ocean, that is Arctic Ocean, isn't it? So the largest ocean is dash. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Next, deltas are dash order landform. Deltas are third order landform. So we have three type of order landform, isn't it? In first order, continents will come. In second order, mountain, plateaus, everything comes under that category. In third order, we have deltas. Deltas are deposition of the river from the mountain. That is called the deltas. Deltas are dash order landform, third order landform. Next, fifth question. The island continent is dash. First of all, you must know what is island. Island is, what is island? Island is a land surrounded by water on all sides. Just imagine, this is one land. This land fully covered by water. That is in a four side totally covered by water. This is called as island. So island is a land surrounded by water on all sides. So here what they have asked, which is called as the island continent? Among this world, Australia is covered on all sides by water. That's why it is called as island continent. Which is called as island continent? The island continent is Australia. Next, match the following. First one, the South Sandwich Trench. Which is the South Sandwich Trench? Answer is the Southern Ocean. Which is called as South Sandwich Trench? Answer is Southern Ocean. Next, second one, the Milwaukee Trench. Which is called as Milwaukee Trench? The answer is second one, the Atlantic Ocean. Next, the Mariana Trench. Where is the Mariana Trench located? situated? The Mariana Trench is situated in Pacific Ocean. Next, the Eurasian Basin. Where is the Eurasian Basin? The Eurasian Basin is in the Arctic Ocean. Next, the Java Trench. Where is the Java Trench? The Java Trench is in the Indian Ocean. So first one, the South Sandwich Trench is in Southern Ocean. The Milwaukee Trench is in Atlantic Ocean. The Mariana Trench is in Pacific Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is in the Arctic Ocean. And last one, the Java Trench is in Indian Ocean. Next, statements. Consider the following statements. Plains are formed by river. The South Sandwich Trench is found in the Indian Ocean. Plateaus have steep slopes. So you have to choose the correct answer using the codes given to you. Here they have given you which are the point is correct. First point, see, plains are formed by rivers. Yes, it's absolutely correct. Plains, water, river plain you have seen, you know. So the plains are formed by river. So this is correct. Next, the South Sandwich Trench is found in the Indian Ocean. This is wrong. In match the following we have seen, no? Yes, the South Sandwich Trench is found in the Southern Ocean, isn't it? So it is wrong. Next, plateaus have steep slopes. Yes, it's absolutely correct. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. So the answer is 1 and 3. Next, second one, consider the following. Statement 1. Mountains are second order landform. Second statement, the Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world. So what they have asked you, which of the statement is or are true? So among these two, which is correct? They asked you. So just see the statement again. Mountains are second order landform. Yes, this is correct. In first order, continents will come. In second order, mountains and plateaus will come. In third order, what they come? Plains, delta, everything come. So mountains are the second order landforms. So this is correct. Second statement, the Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world. This is also correct statement. This is the deepest trench. So the answer is both statements are true. What is the answer? The answer is both statements are true.